opening up an old phone. As you can see here, it's a fully working phone.
Works perfectly.
So we're going to be opening this up with a multi-tool. So I don't know how it's going to happen. It's just going to happen. So let's get started. Just put this in here. Okay, first, I'm also here with my friend Aiden, as you've seen him in some other videos. So, what's up?
Oh God, it just cracked horribly.
No. Oh, this is impossible. I have an idea. This is so much easier. Just open up the back. There we go. So, actually I'm afraid this battery's gonna blow up. I don't know why, but I'm just so afraid. So all I'm going to do, take out the battery, not touch that, and open the phone.
I'm taking the battery.
No, you're not.
Say
So I need to okay, so now we're gonna, might open up the camera or something else. Back, close your eyes. Screen goes crazy. Oh, I got this out. Okay, oh, what's up the video? What's up? Press pause. Press pause. So, right now, we're opening this up. Close your eyes so it doesn't explode. Oh, this one's so deadly. Let me try this one. Whoa, what is this stuff?
Anyway, my
volume.
birthday was yesterday.
Suki, one more knockout here. Getting out of videos. This phone is so strong. Ugh. Boy, I think what is this made out of? Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna have to like this. It's phone now. This
Is the inside of the phone.
This right here is the inside of the phone. This is crazy. Just didn't have to move. See the phone still, no. You want to put the battery in and see the phone still works?
Now.
Yeah, let's try that. Let's see if the phone still works. There it goes. Okay, good. Let's see if it turns on.
No, nothing. For this one. Nope, the phone's
Totally broken. The battery won't even turn on. So I guess we're just gonna have to crack this whole thing open.
What the frick?
Wow, what does the screen look like? Holy crap. What is this? Yo, I wish I had a blade right now. No, like a saw. Inner organs. Let's turn this phone around. This piece gone. Alright, this looks like a very important piece. Bend it. Oops. Wait, give me a second. Give me a second. Got this stuck. Bend it. Bend it. Hold it here. Bend it. No, no. Up the top. Like this. Let me show you. Oh! Oh my god. Wait, let me get this out.
What the heck?
Yo!
How are we breaking this?
The
whole screen came off.
Sorry about that.
Wait, no, I want to pop this.
This is awesome. It's weird metal. See what's behind the screen. This is the screen.
This is the screen.
I think I need a garbage. Later. Let me see that. Let me cut this up.
Okay, you cut the.
Watch out, this glass. Watch out. No, I need that. Once I can find a hammer. This is gonna be a total mess. Hammer? No hammer. Hammer? No hammer. No hammer. Hurry, no hammer. No hammer. No, wait, no wait. Here, put that in here. Put that in there. Here. Pull it. Pull it. Got it? This is awesome. Who knows what? It's all stuff to do.
Okay, I want to put this in.
I'm gonna try it. First, I'm gonna try this one. I have the brain. The brain is right here.
Oh, God, I want to keep the brain.
No,
I'm
we're
keeping
throwing everything out.
No, I'm keeping the brain. Holy crap, the whole table.
Moving. Yo, I think I'm done with this piece. Let's hit the next one. Try that. No, I'm good. I'm doing it.
The brain. Wait, that's.
This one's really great. See, things in there.
What is that?
So, let's show you what we got out of this.
Still breaking.
Wait,
Look over to the video.
got stuck for a second. So this is all the stuff we got out of the phone. All this broken thing. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more of what's inside. And we will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.